morning, students. From this chapter, all the exercise sums as explained from NCERT book. Now I will start from R.S. Agrawal. Exercise 9b, sum number 6. In sum number 6, that is given that now in this question number 6, one angle of a parallelogram is 4/5 of its adjacent angle. Now find the angles of the parallelogram. So let adjacent angle be x degree, therefore other angle 4 degree. ATQ x plus 4x by 5 equal to 180. Sum of co-interior angles. This parallelogram, if this one is x, this one is 4x by 5. These two lines are parallel. This one is a transversal line. So sum of co-interior angles is equal to 180. That is written. So sum of co-interior angles. Now take LCM, that is 5 multiplied with x, 5x plus 4x equal to 180. 9x by 5 equal to 180. So x equal to 180 into 5 by 9. Cancel it, it becomes 20. So 100. Therefore, angles are 100 degree and another is 4x by 5. So 4 into 100 by 5, 20, 80 degree, 100 degree and 80 degree. So these are the angles of the parallelogram. Because opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal to each other, therefore if one is 100, opposite of it is also 100. Another angle is 80 degrees, opposite of 80 degrees also 80 degree. So this one is the answer. Lengths of the diagonals of a rhombus are 24 centimeter and 18 centimeter. Find the length of each side of the rhombus. A, B, C, D is a rhombus. AC and BD are diagonals. Let AC equal to 24 centimeter and BD equal to 18 centimeter. So OA, AC by 2, 24 by 2, 12 centimeter, and OD, that is half of BD, 18 by 2, 9 centimeter. In case of rhombus, diagonals are perpendicular bisectors of each other. So these two diagonals are perpendicular bisector to each other. This way they make each other at 90 degree. So triangle AOD is a right angle triangle where angle AOD is 90 degree. So triangle AOD becomes right angle triangle. AD is hypotenuse, OA base, and OD is perpendicular. So AD square equal to OA square plus OD square by Pythagoras theorem. Now put the value of OA and OD. OA is 12, OD here is 9, square of 12, that is 144, square of 9 is 81. Now add these two numbers, which is equal to 225. So AD is equal to root over 225, 15 square, that is equal to 15. So AD is the side of the rhombus, as we have to find length of each side. In case of rhombus, all sides are equal to each other. Therefore, length of each side is 15 centimeter. Now next question. An ABC is a triangle through A, B and C. Parallel lines are drawn. That is, these three are parallel lines drawn where they intersect P, Q, R. Now you have to prove that one. P perimeter of PQR is double the perimeter of ABC. In C through A, B and C lines are drawn parallel to BC, CA and AB intersecting as the intersecting at P, Q and R. So to prove perimeter of triangle PQR is equal to 2 into perimeter of triangle ABC. So you have to prove that perimeter of triangle PQR is twice the perimeter of triangle ABC. Now prove BC is parallel to QA, parallel to QA, and the CA is parallel to QB. BC is parallel to QA and CA is parallel to QB. Therefore, BCAQ is a parallelogram as opposite sides are parallel. Therefore, this quadrilateral becomes a parallelogram. Again, BC parallel to AR and AB parallel to CR. This BC is parallel to AR and AB is parallel to CR. Therefore, BCRA is a parallelogram. Now this figure becomes a parallelogram. Therefore, BC equal to QA Roman 1, and from this figure BC equal to AR 2. So from 1 and 2, BC is equal to QA and BC is equal to AR. Therefore, QA is equal to AR. This QA is equal to AR. Therefore, A is the midpoint of QA. So A is the midpoint of QR. Similarly, Similarly, B and C are the midpoints of PQ and PR. Therefore, B and C also becomes the midpoint of PQ and PR, like that one. So, in triangle PQR, B and C are the midpoints of B and C midpoints of PQ and PR. These 2 points become midpoint of these 2 sides, PQ and PR. Therefore, BC parallel to QR and BC equal to half QR by midpoint theorem. So these 2 becomes parallel and half of it by midpoint theorem. So take that one, Roman 3. Similarly, CA equal to half of PQ, that is also from midpoint theorem, and AB equal to half of PR. This one Roman 4, this one Roman 5. Now adding 3, 4 and 5. So BC plus CA plus AB equal to 1 by 2 QR plus 1 by 2 PQ plus 1 by 2 PR. Now AB plus BC plus CA, just arrange that one, equal to all contents half, take half as common, PQ plus QR plus PR. So AB plus BC plus CA, that means sum of all sides, that is sum of all sides is known as perimeter of the triangle. So perimeter of triangle ABC 1 by 2 PQ plus QR plus PR. There is also sum of 3 sides, which is also known as perimeter of triangle PQR. Perimeter of triangle PQR perimeter of triangle PQR equal to 2 into, take the 2 left hand side, right hand side it is in denominator, when it comes on left hand side it will multiply with this one, so 2 into perimeter of triangle ABC. So this one you have to prove, right here, proved. So this one is also from midpoint theorem. This one is also from midpoint theorem, like previous one. After that adding 3, after adding you get that one. Perimeter of triangle PQR is equal to 2 into perimeter of triangle ABC, which you have to prove. So you got that one. So write that here.